What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford F-150 STX with space white metallic exterior, black cloth interior, seating 4/5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include lane keeping assist, pro collision braking, collision assist, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, join our website island4.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, a grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badging. Your electronic parking brake, light controls, and auto start. Sliding into the vehicle. To start it, just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Below, your volume and tuner, traction control, hazard light, and you can have a view of your camera. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Your 4x4 modes. A little bit of room for storage below with a USB and USB-C charging ports. 2 cup holders and more room for storage. A console with storage below and USB-C charging ports. A 12-volt outlet and USB-C charging ports. 2 glove compartment. Sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handles, privacy glass at the back windows, some visors, cabless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, clearance light, and your backup camera would be above the Ford badging. Trailer tow hitch, sensors on the back bumper, and a step making it easy to access the cargo bed. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience, a grab handle in the body. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up. When you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, all weather mats on the floor with your extra carpeted mats, slim pockets behind the front seats, 2 cup holders, your air vents and USB-C charging ports, grab handle behind the driver's seat, hooks and dome light, and your rear heated window. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, privacy glass at the back windows, some visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, LED headlights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.